Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello friends, today me and my group member are going to present our presentation on the topic waste heat to electrical energy. Introduction of waste heat to electrical energy. The step-back effect is the electromotive force that develops across 2 points of an electrically inducting material when there is a temperature difference between them. The EMF is called the step-back EMF or thermal thermoelectric EMF. The thermoelectric effect is the direct conversion of temperature differences to electric voltage and vice versa via thermocouple. A thermoelectric device creates a voltage when there is a different temperature on each side. Abstract. Automobiles are notorious for their fuel efficiency, utilizing only 13% of the total amount of fuel for locomotion, while 62% is lost as the engine itself is incapable of harnessing the tremendous force released from igniting gasoline and compressed oxygen. The remaining 25% is consumed for the coolant and alternator. My project utilized thermocouples, which are devices for measuring temperature consisting of two dissimilar metals that are electrically joined at one end. When one junction is hotter than the other, a thermal electromotive force is produced that is roughly proportional to the difference in temperature between the hot and cool junction. I use this thermocouple to convert that waste heat emission into usable electrical energy. My hypothesis states that this may very well be possible to the improvement of fuel efficiency in automobile. Methods, methods, materials. After wearing the thermocouples in a series to achieve an accumulative voltage output, also known as a thermopile, I secure the conversion tool with fiberglass insulation on the muffler. Then extended the range of the thermopile from underneath the Pontiac Firebird with copper wiring to keep track of the engine temperature from the dashboard. A voltmeter measured the voltage output and a thermogun was used to determine the temperature of the muffler, then recorded both numerical values. Result. The initial results were quite straightforward. The higher the temperature, the higher the voltage output, indicating a positive correlation. However, as the experimentation progressed, high muffler readings were paired with lower voltage output in comparison to other trials. As the difference between the reference and measuring junction decreased, the voltage negatively correlated. Conclusion discussion. The plausible mechanism explains the inconsistency is the lack of ambient air to create a higher enough difference for maximum voltage output. However, the purpose of the experiment to determine the possibility of harvesting electrical energy from waste heat to the automobile was suggested true. Future applications of this result include actuate calculate fuel efficiency and multiple thermopiles in critical heat locations. This project is to purpose to possible solution of automobile fuel efficiency by converting the waste heat to emitted from the internal combustion engine into usable electric energy. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.